In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the phone field from your Shopify contact form. We'll go step by step inside your Shopify admin and theme editor. And by the end, your contact form will no longer ask customers for their phone number. This is really useful if you want to simplify the form, reduce friction, or just collect email-only inquiries. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the option called Online Store. Go ahead and click that. This will open up the section where your themes are managed. At the top of this page, you'll see your current live theme. On the right side of that theme, click Edit Theme or Customize, depending on how it appears in your account. This will open the theme editor where we'll make all our changes. Inside the theme editor, look towards the top center area to find the page selector. By default, this is usually set to Home Page. Click on that dropdown. From the list of options, choose Pages and then look for your contact page. It might be named Contact, Contact Us, or something similar. Select that page so the preview on the right now shows your contact form. Next, in the left panel, you'll see a list of sections that make up this page. Look for the section labeled Contact Form. On the left side of that section's title, there should be a small right-pointing arrow or a caret. Click that arrow to expand it and reveal the blocks underneath the contact form. These blocks represent individual elements in the form. Once that's expanded, click the option to Add Block. From the list of available block types, choose Custom Liquid. This will add a new custom liquid block to your contact form section. Now click on the newly added custom liquid block. On the right side, you'll see a text field where you can enter code. In this field, you'll need to paste the exact code provided in the resources linked with this video. You can pause the video for a moment, copy that code, and then paste it into the custom liquid text area. This code is what hides or removes the phone field from your contact form. After you paste the code, look at the live preview on the right. You should see that the phone field has now disappeared from the form. Take a second to scroll and confirm it's gone. Once everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Save. That's it. Your contact form no longer shows the phone field, and the change is now live on your store.